Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove Google account from your device Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to accounts and backup, and here select manage accounts and select the email ID that you would like to remove from your phone. Click on the email ID and click on remove account. Click on remove account and it will ask, are you sure? Click on OK and it will ask your pattern for confirmation. You can also use fingerprint to do this action. And yes, Google account is removed from your device. To check it, go to Google Play Store, and if there is sign in button available, you can understand that already Google account is removed from your device. In this way, you can easily remove Google account from your device Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.